Hello everyone. Guys, today we are going to discuss the select distinct statement using SQL queries. See, we have already discussed that what is exactly the select and different ways of select, but we are today going to use the select with the distinct keyword. Okay, now how it will do or what is exactly that the select distinct do, let's see. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct different values. Suppose we have a table, and in the previous video, according to previous video, suppose we have a table and we select that this country and this attribute from this table. Suppose the table which we get after the query contains the same values, some same values, that, and we don't want that same values to be executed, so we will use here select distinct. Okay, instead of using simply select, we will use select distinct. That means select different values from that attributes. Clear? Let's move. The syntax of this is that exactly select distinct. After that, the column 1, column 2, whatever the column you want to display is all up to you, but the select distinct. So it will select all the distinct value from these columns. Clear out? Let's see. And after that, the from table name. So what is exactly the table name? The table name you will specify. After that, it will move to select this column, and after that column is selected, after that the values, distinct value will be inserted from these columns. Okay. So let's see, there is a table, table name is employees, and we have this attributes CID, CNAME, country. Okay, and these are the data values. Let's see what our query basically do. Select distinct country from employees. Okay, that table name is employee, and we are just selecting country attribute with the distinct values. Clear out? So what it will return us, see, let's move with the step by step. It will give us first USA. Okay, because USA does not exist previously. After that Berlin, because we have previously only USA. After that Germany, yes, it's Germany because it is a distinct value. Yes, Germany. After that Berlin, no, it already exists, so it will skip out totally from these table. Okay, after that USA, it already exists, so it will take, no, it will not take. Then after that again USA, no, it already been included, so it's not going to include this USA again. So this is the distinct value. We will there will be a table which contains the attribute name country, and these are the values under that attribute. Okay, now see use of count with select. Okay, what is exactly that? This is the count is used to count the number of values you get after a query. So let's see how. Select count distinct country from employees. What this query will do, it will go under a employee table, and after that it will select the distinct value from country attribute. It will go to the employee table. After that, going to the employee table, what it will do, it will select the distinct country, matlab distinct different values from these tables, and after that it will count that different values, how many different values are there. That is a number, integer value. Okay, it will return that integer value. So let's see what will be the example, what will be the answer. There is exactly 3 different or distinct values, so we will get only 3. Okay, so please understand that don't write the answer USA, Berlin, Germany, and after that 3. No, it will return only 3 because we have used the keyword count with these different values. Okay, we can use also the count with the other way, like see, we use select count country from employees. So what is the difference between this and this? See this. this will choose only the distinct value. That's why it is returning 3. But it will use, or it will give you the redundant value, or we can say the same values also. So there are basically totally this attribute exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are totally 6 values. It does not mean with the any different values only. It will give you all the values under that column. So answer will be 6. Okay guys, so this is the basically all about the distinct, select and distinct. In the next video we will study about the where statement, how we gonna select with where statement. So that is the important thing which we have to go through all the database. So let's move to next session. But remember, there is a link of this playlist under the video description. So please go with that link so you can't skip any video. Okay guys, if you like my videos, please share and like this channel. Thank you.